one. We have earnings on Red Hat coming out to tech company. We have earnings coming out on Paychex. Okay, and a lot of people look at this Paychex, and the thing about it is, I'm going to drop my bids from 29 and a quarter down to 28 and a half. Actually, 27.75. So let's put the limit order out. Close at 32. Put that one out there at 27.75. Okay, and a lot of people are going to be looking at this company in after hours to see what it reports was, because it has somewhat, not in my belief that is, but other people believe it has a gauge to the economy. This technology stock over here will be out. Here we are with Red Hat right now. The bid is $40.51. The ask is $41 right now. We don't have an actual earnings report. However, we are on standby to see what kind of after hours knee jerk that we will get. 40, 51, and 75. We had a few prints right there. MMTs, which is above the 39.97. Here you go on Red Hat. We just ran up to 42.50. This is an after hours tick chart. You can see $42, 42 and a quarter is printing. I do not have a headline number on Red Hat. Here we go with Paychex. It's kind of frustrating because I can't let anyone do anything without actually having a number. So 42.61. Obviously somebody knows something. Red Hat, I just got it. 26 cents versus 22. That's on Red Hat. Red Hat. The revs were 245 million versus 236 million. So slightly up there a little bit above the rev. The Red Hat preliminary, like I said, that's what we have. It's not a huge beat, but then again, let's see what they have to sell on the conference call. It's a heavily shorted stock for intraday short volume, that is. This is the one bar that just kind of walked it right up until the number was just released. So someone was assuming, and they walked these bids up, and that's the Red Hat story for now on this video for the MMTs, and we're going to watch. So cancel that lower order because you're not going to get hit. And once again, it's going to always get down to the conference call at 2 o'clock now. That's going to be, okay. So 8 minutes after the hour, it's 1:08 p.m., 4:08 Eastern Time. The close, that's the move. I don't know what the guidances are going to be. We'll have to get into the numbers. If it is a good number, it will bode well for some of the beaten down other tech stocks that will gap in its sector in sympathy. If the numbers pan out to be good with the conference call, you'll get a sympathy gap, and you know it adds a little fuel to the fire.